Rehabilitation of adults and children with strokes, cerebral palsy, Parkinson disease, vestibular disorders, degenerative diseases of the central nervous system, and some other diseases is a long and laborious procedure. We are going to talk about translingual neurostimulation, how it works and how it can help. This term is based on a simple and effective principle of influencing the central nervous system through the nerve endings of the tip of the tongue. It is a method of affecting weak electrical impulses. This is how NeyroPort works. Small and light device give sustainable results in rehabilitation. NeyroPort combined with various exercises can promote rehabilitation and recovery. Can help physiotherapy, medications, monometal therapy, and massages have failed. NeyroPort impulses help improve articulation and restore speech, fine motor skills, promotes return of self-service skills, and coordination of movements. NeyroPort can be used in hospital or at home. To find out more information, you can visit the website NeyroPort.ru or contact us by email office@NeyroPort.ru. Available delivery to anywhere in the world from Russia. We help people return to a full life. There are contraindications. Before starting the program, consult a specialist.